Good morning students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain chemistry revision assessment for 8th class. The topic is metals and non-metals. Let us see the first question. What is the advantage of a tool made of metal? If the tools are made with metals, generally harder. The hardness is not an advantage when the metals are heated in fire and it is molded into different shapes and converted into different shapes. Converted into or molded into different shapes. Okay, let us see the next question. What happens when non-metals react with oxygen? So, if the non-metal is react with oxygen in air to form non-metal oxides. Non-metal is react with oxygen to form non-metal oxide. Okay, next to see the third question. Why gold jewelries do not becoming dull? Yes, different metals are react with the different components in air in different manner and different conditions and rate. Yes, so here gold do not becoming dull because it does not react with the moisture and air. So that is the reason it do not react with oxygen. That is the reason we all are using gold jewelries, ornaments. Okay, the gold do not react with oxygen. Gold do not react with oxygen and any other reactive metals also. Next, see the fourth question. How does conduction transfer heat? How does conduction transfer heat? Here, the conduction of the heat transfer, the objects having, if take the objects having the two different temperature, the heat transfer from warmer to the cooler place. Okay, until the transfer when the two objects having the similar temperatures. Similar temperature. So generally heat transfer the heat from warmer to cooler. Then so here we are taking two different temperature. Two objects having different temperature. Until the heat is transferred when the two objects get same temperature. Let us see the fifth question. Explain reaction of oxygen with metals and non-metals. This is the experiment done. So this is the experiment. Aim. What is the aim? So here we have to take oxygen. The reaction of the oxygen with metals and non-metals. Reaction of oxygen, metals and non-metals. Okay. Next, what are the materials? Materials are required. What are the materials are required? So here two samples are required. One is metal, another one is non-metal. Metal sample, non-metal sample. Metal sample and non-metal sample. Spirit lamp or Bunsen burner or spirit lamp, Bunsen burner and litmus paper. Litmus papers. Okay, here metal sample is magnesium. Metal sample magnesium. Non-metal sample is sulfur. Next, how to do? What is the procedure? In procedure, first we have to take the magnesium, strip of magnesium and then observe the appearance of the magnesium. After that, we have to burn the magnesium by using the spirit lamp and Bunsen burner. Okay, after burning we get ash. First we have to take the magnesium. After burning we get ash. This ash is collected in the test tube. Ash is collected in test tube and add some water into it. After that, test this solution by using litmus paper, either red or blue litmus paper. Test the solution by using litmus paper and then note down your observation. Next, second, take a sulfur by using the diffrating spoon and then heat the sulfur by using the burner. After burning, when the sulfur is start burning, then the diffrating spoon is introduced into the gas container jar. Okay, so after that you remove the deflating spoon and then add some little amount of the water in the gas jar and then test the solution by using the litmus papers and then note down your observation. Okay, here what is your observation conclusion? Your conclusion, magnesium is react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Yes, the magnesium oxide is on test with litmus paper. The litmus paper turns red to blue. That is the indication of magnesium oxide is basic in nature. This is the basic in nature. Next, see the second one. Sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur oxide. Sulfur dioxide. To test the sulfur dioxide by using the litmus paper, the blue litmus paper changes to red. That is the indication here sulfur dioxide is acidic in nature. Acidic nature. Okay, finally what is the conclusion? Metal oxides are basic in nature, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Thank you.